Ever heard the saying, it's not what you know, but who you know? Well, in the digital age, it's more like it's not what you sell, but what you recommend. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine you're introducing a friend to your favorite restaurant, and every time they dine there on your recommendation, you get a free dessert. Sweet deal, right? Now, scale that up. Instead of a dessert, you're getting a slice of the profit every time someone makes a purchase based on your recommendation online. The beauty of it? It's one of the purest forms of passive income out there. You're not creating a product. You're not dealing with customer complaints. You're just pointing people to something cool and getting rewarded for it. It's like setting up a lemonade stand, but instead of selling, you're just telling people where to get the best lemonade in town. And every time they buy, you earn. Simple as that. Now, let's dive deeper and see how you can make this work for you. Affiliate marketing isn't some new kid on the block. It's been around. But like a fine wine, it's only gotten better with age, especially with the internet stepping into the game. Before the digital era, it was all about word of mouth and referrals. But then the internet happened, and boom, the game changed. Let's talk about the big player that made everyone sit up and take notice: Amazon. They didn't just dip their toes into affiliate marketing. They dove head first. With their associates program, they made it mainstream. They gave every Tom, Dick, and Harry with a blog or website the chance to earn by simply pointing folks to their platform. It's like Amazon handed out digital megaphones to everyone and said, "Help us shout out, and we'll pay you for it." And just like that, the world saw the true potential of affiliate marketing. It wasn't just a side gig anymore. For many, it became the main event. Understanding the different types is crucial, as it helps you align your strategy with your personal brand and audience expectations. Unattached affiliate marketing is the most straightforward form. Here, you're essentially a bridge between the product and the consumer. You don't need to be an expert or even have first-hand experience with what you're promoting. Think of it as sharing a link and earning from any resulting sales. It's simple, but it requires a broad audience since you're not providing any added value or insights about the product. Then there's related affiliate marketing. In this model, you have a thematic connection to the product or service. Let's say you run a fitness blog. You might promote workout gear, supplements, or training programs. While you have knowledge in the fitness realm, you might not have personal experience with every product you're promoting. However, your audience trusts your general expertise in the field, making them more likely to consider your recommendations. And finally, we have involved affiliate marketing. This is the gold standard for many affiliates. You're not just promoting a product, you're sharing a personal testimony. You've used it, you believe in it, and you're putting your reputation on the line for it. This method often yields the highest trust and conversion rates because it's genuine. But it also means you need to be selective and authentic in your endorsements. In all these types, the key is transparency with your audience. Whether you're giving a personal review or just sharing a link, it's essential to be upfront about your relationship with the product or service. This not only builds trust, but ensures you're adhering to ethical and, in many cases, legal standards of disclosure. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. Why are so many people jumping on the affiliate marketing bandwagon? Well, there are some pretty compelling reasons. First off, we're talking about $1 billion industry here. Yeah, you heard that right. Companies are shelling out big bucks to affiliates because it's a win-win. They get more sales and you get a piece of the pie. And the best part? The potential is massive. With the right strategy, you can tap into a vast market that's growing every day. Now, let's talk convenience and flexibility. You're not tied down to a 9-to-5 grind. Want to work from a beach in Bali? Go for it. As long as you have an internet connection, you're in business. And speaking of business, you don't have to deal with the nitty-gritty of customer service. That's on the company you're promoting. You just drive the traffic, and they handle the rest. Starting up doesn't drain your bank account either. Low startup cost means you can get rolling without a massive investment. And the potential returns? They can be pretty sweet if you play your cards right. One of the best parts? Independence. You're not tied down to a single product or company. You can promote a wide range of products that resonate with your audience. And if one doesn't work out, move on to the next. But the real cherry on top, that sweet, sweet passive income. Put in the work up front, and you can reap the rewards long after. It's not just about making money. It's about making money while you sleep. And with performance-based rewards, the better you do, the more you make. While affiliate marketing has its perks, it's not all sunshines and rainbows. There are challenges, and they can be significant. But like any savvy entrepreneur, you've got to be prepared to tackle them head on. First up, control. In the world of affiliate marketing, you're often playing by someone else's rules. These affiliate programs have their dynamics, their terms, and conditions. It can sometimes feel like you're walking on a tightrope, trying not to slip up. The significance? One wrong move, and you could be out of a program, losing a revenue stream. But here's the deal. You've got choices. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Partner with reputable programs. Do your homework. And if something feels off, trust your gut and look elsewhere. Next, the competition. The digital space is like a bustling marketplace, and everyone's shouting to be heard. With so many affiliate marketers out there, standing out becomes a Herculean task. The risk? Getting lost in the noise and not making those crucial conversions. But instead of getting overwhelmed, find your unique angle. Carve out a niche. Maybe it's vegan beauty products or sustainable travel gear. Whatever it is, own it. And more than anything, be genuine. Authenticity is your secret weapon in this crowded space. Lastly, the sneaky issue of hijacked affiliate links. Imagine putting in all that work only for someone else to divert your traffic and commissions. It's like setting up a shop and someone redirecting your customers to their store. But you're not defenseless. Use link cloaking tools to protect your links. And stay vigilant. Regularly monitor your links to ensure they're leading where they should. Challenges? Sure, they're there. But with the right strategies and a bit of grit, you can navigate the affiliate marketing world like a pro. You've got the basics down. You understand the challenges. But how does this all play out in the real world? Let's pull back the curtain on some big players in the game. Amazon affiliate marketing. Think of it as the big leagues. Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth, has this down to a science. They've created a system where anyone, from tech nerds to beauty bloggers, can point their audience to a product on Amazon. And when a sale goes through, ka-ching, you earn a commission. It's streamlined, it's efficient, and it's proven. Etsy. Now, this is a unique beast, a global marketplace for handmade and vintage items. Etsy allows its sellers to promote products through affiliate marketing. It's a blend of craft and commerce, and it's making waves. eBay's partner network. Remember eBay? They've got a slice of the affiliate pie too. By promoting listings outside of eBay, affiliates can earn commissions. It's a win-win, with both sellers and affiliates benefiting. BuzzFeed, not just your source for quirky quizzes and trending news. BuzzFeed has a shopping section, showcasing and reviewing products. When readers buy through their links, BuzzFeed gets a cut. It's modern media meets affiliate marketing. You've seen the big players and how they're making their mark, but here's the thing. Every giant started as a beginner, just like you. So how do you jump into this world and make a splash? Choosing the right niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Find your lane. Whether it's tech gadgets, fashion, or even quirky collectibles, pick something you're passionate about. It'll show. Building an authentic brand. People buy from those they trust. Be genuine. Be you. No need for flashy gimmicks. Just honest, valuable content. Engaging with the audience. This isn't a one-way street. Engage, interact, and listen to your audience. Answer their questions. Address their concerns. Build that trust, and they'll keep coming back. Affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a legit way to earn, and it's reshaping the online business landscape. Dive in, stay consistent, and remember, it's all about providing value and building trust. You've got the blueprint. Now go build your empire. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. and please check out our other cool videos on this channel.